Today we're going to keep looking at the number 10 and how important the number 10 is for us. So I want us to remember, just think about what we talked about last time about how the number 10 is kind of our base number for everything. We're going to use a bar model or a tape diagram. You might see it said both ways to use 10 to solve some word problems. So we're going to kind of just jump right into it. So the first word problem I have says, Will has 6 carrots in his garden and 4 on his kitchen table. How many carrots does Will have altogether? So the first thing we want to look at is, what is the problem asking us? It's saying, how many carrots does Will have altogether? So you see our question mark is down here because if you guys remember, with the bar model, we always have our total here down at the bottom. So one thing I know from reading the problem is that he has 6 carrots in his garden. So I'm going to put 6 carrots in his garden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we know he has 6 carrots because it tells us right in the problem. So that's one side of my diagram is going to be the 6 carrots that are in his garden. So I can even write in a little 6 here. And the rest of the problem says that he has 4 on his kitchen table. So I got to take the other 4 and put them over here on this side of my bar model. One, 2, 3, and 4. So we know we have 4 from the question, so we can write a number 4 in over here too. So now when we look carefully, we're saying we have 6 over here and 4 over here, and we want to know how many we have all together down here. So another way we could write this is 6 plus 4 equals our total. So we can count these out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is going to be our total. So we can get rid of our question mark and we can write 10 in down here because our total always goes down here at our bottom, which shows how many we have in the whole tape diagram. So we can answer our equation down here too of 6 plus 4 gives us 10. And 10 is the big number we've been talking about this whole time. So we can try this one, which is a little bit different. It says Sarah has 10 balloons that are red and blue. 8 of her balloons are red. How many are blue? So we know already that we have our total. Our total is 10 balloons. So we're not looking for our total. We can already write 10 down in here at the bottom. 10 balloons, that's our total. And we know how many are red. 8 of her balloons are red. What we don't know is how many are blue. So we can use our bar model again to demonstrate how many balloons we have. So we can count them out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can write our 8 in here because that's how many red balloons we have. What we don't know is how many blue balloons we have. So we have to think, how many am I going to need to get to 10 from 8? So what we can do is remove our question mark and count out again. 1, 2. So we have 2 blue balloons. So does that put us to 10? Let's put a number 8 in our head and count up 8, 9, 10. That does put us to 10, which is what we're trying to get to. So now we know we have 2 over here. So another way we could write this is 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So those are just some examples of how we're going to be using our bar model or tape diagram to solve some word problems that might use the number 10. And I want us to try and keep in our heads that 10 is such an important number. It's the number we go off of for everything we do in math. So everyone have a great rest of your day.